Hi YouTube friends, welcome to my channel. Today our episode is going to be at Alexander Springs. It's so beautiful here. It's in the Ocala National Forest and I'm going to be camping. Alexander Springs, a gem located in the Ocala National Forest, where cypress trees grow 150 feet tall and the saw palmettos line the banks of the Alexander Creek. So I just saw the ranger driving by in his little cart. I'm headed down towards the water. I've got 17 minutes left for today because they close at 6:30 p.m. That's all right. I want to go dip my foot in, see what the water's like. This is the swimming area here at Alexander Springs. They have it cordoned off with the buoys. It's really quiet and peaceful now because it's at the end of the day. The water is 72 degrees year-round. And Alexander Springs is a first magnitude spring. There are 27 first magnitude springs here in Florida. This is so stunningly beautiful. It's densely forested here with the oak hammock and pine and saw palmettos. Oh wow, I can see the river from here. It's so beautiful. Actually, this is a good time of the day to come down. It's really quiet and peaceful. Most of the day use people are gone. It's just the campers here. So I'll turn the camera around so you can see what the water looks like. It's quiet. Look how calm and peaceful it is here. Over to the right, there's some buoys. That's the swimming area there. Swimmers have to stay in that area over there. I'll walk over there in a minute and take a look. This is where you launch your canoe or your kayak. It's really shallow, I would say maybe 1 foot close to the dock. Take a ride down the Alexander Creek in a kayak or canoe. It's a 2.6 mile round trip. Slow, easygoing paddle where you can enjoy nature, see turtles, alligators, beautiful birds, as this is part of the Great Florida Birding Trail. Okay, now's the start of my paddling kayak adventure down the Alexander Creek. Here we go. This is so beautiful here. The water's so clear. I can see little fish swimming by. Probably about 3 feet deep here. As I float down the creek, it gets a little deeper here. It's probably about 10 feet deep here. It's beautiful, quiet. Only seen one other kayaker and 2 paddleboard people. Coming around a little corner here in the creek. It's really pretty. This so far is the most amazing kayak experience I've had so far. It's beautiful. Imagine floating down this creek in a dugout canoe looking for fish or game. Probably around the middle of the creek. It's really beautiful. Haven't seen very much wildlife. A couple turtles and some fish. That's about it. It's really pretty. I'm enjoying the peace and quiet out here. This is probably the widest section of the creek. It's beautiful though. Really hard to spot, but he swam right in front of me. Alright, coming back to the end. And I'm going to be camping, so let me show you around my campsite. It's really awesome. It seems secluded. So beautiful. There's a pad for the tent. And I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see the campsite. I've got a picnic table, partial shade. I've got a cover, like a screened net to put over that. And then the campsite comes with a bear box because we are in the forest and there's bears. Then a barbecue grill, barbecue pit, and somebody left a few logs behind. That's awfully nice. Yeah. Okay, got my tent set up. I'll give you a tour. Come along. I've got the REI Kingdom, and we'll take a tour inside as well. Underneath, and then I like to sleep on a cot. I've got my marmot bag. If it's too hot for Florida, I can always just use a little camp blanket. So this is my setup. This is what I've got going for me here. It's gonna be nice. Ooh, I'll take you on a tour of the campground soon. We'll go check out some of the sites. They're large, they're shaded, and they've got a paved pad for your car or your RV. Very nice. No hookups here in this loop. So here's the map of the campground. There are 4 loops, A, B, C, and D. This is where the river is, where you can launch your canoes or kayaks. Then there's a spur trail for hiking and biking, which also connects to the Florida National Scenic Trail and the Paisley Woods Trail, which is a multi-use trail, which is located across the street. Lots of space. There's a tent pad there. We've got barbecue pit, bear box, your own water spigot here. Beautiful campground. There's an enormous picnic area here for the day use people. So this is the Timucuan Trail. It's currently closed because they need to rebuild the boardwalk. We enjoyed swimming out here at Alexander Springs. The water's 72 degrees. It's crystal clear, so beautiful, relaxing. You can see where the spring bubbles up out in the backside. We actually watched a little 4-foot alligator swim by us. So this is a beautiful place to come and relax, slow down a little, enjoy your time outside in nature. This is the end of my video this time. Thank you so much if you've made it this far, and peace and love.